Welcome back. In this video, we'll be introducing you to LoboGit, an enterprise version of GitLab for UNM students. GitLab is a web-based Git repository manager that creates a space for teams to collaborate on software development. It uses Git, but adds extra features on its website to help users organize and excel at the development process. Every UNM student has free access to LoboGit. You can find a link to LoboGit in the description below. GitHub is a web-based Git repository manager similar to GitLab. Many of the same tools and features from GitLab can be found in GitHub. We suggest that you create a personal GitHub account to save projects that you would like to keep after your time at UNM. 3 semesters after you graduate, you will lose access to your LoboGit, so it's essential that you move over important projects and documents to your personal GitHub. Now let's go over the difference between Git, GitHub, GitLab, and LoboGit. Git is a general version control system, while GitLab and GitHub are platforms that host Git repositories with additional features. LoboGit is our GitLab instance at UNM, offering additional functionality specifically for our students. More resources describing these differences can be found in the description below. Now we'll go over some basic concepts in GitLab to help you get familiar with what it looks like. A repository is a directory storing all the files, folders, and content that you add to your project. A branch is a version of the repository that diverges from the main branch. A merge request is a request to merge your branch into another branch, usually back into the main branch. Local refers to anything that's on your system, while remote refers to anything on GitLab or in the cloud. Basic Git workflows involve creating a local copy of your repository that you created in LoboGit, making changes locally on your machine, and then pushing those changes to your remote repository. Now let's log into LoboGit. Go to lobogit.unm.edu and follow the login instructions. Feel free to explore the website on your own or to wait to follow along with our activities using LoboGit in later videos. If you run into issues accessing LoboGit, please contact UNM IT support. Next up, we'll cover the most common Git commands. The slides used for this presentation will be linked below, as well as additional resources about GitLab and LoboGit.